Introducing the 2019 Ford Transit. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Whether you're looking to move a group of passengers, bulky cargo, or a combination of both, this flexible Transit has your back. Available in a variety of configurations, it delivers seating for between 2 and 15 passengers, modern safety features, stability control, available driver assist tech, easy-to-clean practicality, and numerous convenience and comfort features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: third-row seat, keyless entry, iPod, MP3 input, backup camera, electronic stability control, front tow hooks, full-size spare tire, rain-sensing wipers, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers. Don't miss the chance to experience the comfort and convenience of this specialized passenger and cargo hauler. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.